In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Indeed account permanently. Whether you're moving on to another career platform or simply cleaning up your online presence, this guide will walk you through the straightforward steps to completely close your Indeed account. Let's get started by launching Indeed in your web browser and logging in with your credentials if you're not signed in already. Once you've accessed your account, you'll find yourself on your dashboard, the central hub where you manage your job applications and personal information. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the dashboard, where you'll find the Settings option. Clicking this will take you to a new page displaying your account settings. This section manages everything from notifications to privacy and security. Pay close attention as you scroll down through this page because we're looking for a specific option: Close My Account. As you move downwards, you'll see various settings and preferences you can personalize to your liking. But since today we're focusing on account deletion, continue scrolling until you find what you need. Eventually, you'll reach it, hidden among several options near the bottom of the page. You'll find Close My Account. When you spot it, go ahead and click on it. Sometimes Indeed may display a warning or a prompt asking if you're sure about this step. After all, closing your account is permanent. Deleting this account means you'll lose all your job applications, your profile information, and any saved jobs or searches. Think carefully at this point if this is indeed what you wish to do. If you find yourself hesitating, take another moment to consider if there's anything you need to save or review one last time. But if you're ready and certain, confirm your decision by following any additional prompts that Indeed may present. This step ensures you are completely intentional about closing your account and helps prevent accidental deletions. After confirming, the process will begin, and your account will be scheduled for closure. Usually, you'll receive an email from Indeed confirming that your account has been deactivated. This serves as your final notification that your online presence within Indeed is being terminated. And there you have it, the complete process to delete your Indeed account permanently. Remember, this decision is final, so if there's a chance you might need the account in the future, it's worth considering the other options, such as simply updating your privacy settings or disabling notifications. If you have any questions or run into issues during the deletion process, reaching out to Indeed's customer support is a helpful resource. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made the process clear and simple. Don't forget to keep checking back on our channel for more helpful tutorials and tips to manage your digital footprint effectively.